somebody hit us from the back. All of us fell unconscious down into the valley. We were in the hills. I believe the person who hit the vehicle just went past. And there was a bus coming from the front that also went past.
Dr. Komal Karma's life changed forever when the vehicle she and her family were travelling in was hit by a car, forcing it to roll down a mountainside in Jammu and Kashmir. She survived, but her two sisters and brother-in-law were killed. She says she managed to get to a proper hospital only 3 days later. Several cars passing the accident site did not stop to help.
It's been a life-altering experience.
Absolutely life-altering, because you're running around one day and doing your job, and then you're told, all right, this is for life.
There were also perhaps others who passed that same point. Did they stop? How does that make you feel? When you look back, that could have changed your life.
Yes, of course. Yes, we might have saved the 3 who were gone.
That could begin to change. The Supreme Court has said that the Good Samaritan guidelines notified by the centre in May will be made binding across the country. The guidelines will ensure that a person helping an accident victim will not be forced by the police or hospitals to give their name or be forced to become a witness. Lack of response by a doctor to treat emergency accident victims and first waiting for the police to arrive will be treated as professional misconduct. Eyewitnesses cannot be harassed, and they will be examined on just one occasion instead of repeated rounds of court.
Immediately I started, calling for help. So there were some people who were ready to help, but then there was no one who could carry the person to the hospital. And obviously I was on my motorbike, so I couldn't help. So I was trying to stop gadis, जितने four-wheelers हैं उनको मैं हाथ दे रहा था, भाई साहब please रोकिए, भाई साहब please रोकिए. And people they will hardly stop. पुलिस का यही होता है कि आप क्यों? जहाँ सारे जा रहे थे, भाई तू क्यों रुक गया यहाँ पर? तू तो नहीं खुद मार के इसको चला गया.
Bystanders were hesitant to come forward and help the injured persons, and today's judgment actually makes sure that Good Samaritans who come forward to help injured persons will be protected from legal hassles, any kind of detention at hospitals, court procedures, and so on and so forth. So it's a huge victory for us.
India is amongst the deadliest roads in the world. According to official data, in 2014, 1.5 lakh people were killed on Indian roads and almost 5 lakh were left injured. Now, many of those killed could have perhaps been saved if someone had intervened in time. While laws can be brought about, but a mindset needs to change. In New Delhi, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.